and I have I'm not just observing. I'm active, and I have a part and a role in the case, and that gives me a certain distance to the case.
Breivik is a Norwegian citizen, and as a citizen he has access to court as long as he has a legal question, and that this legal question is of actual interest to him to get the court's opinion upon.
A horrible experience for them, just to look at the pictures, for instance.
The Norwegian government claims that his prison regime overall is according to the convention, that he has access to training, to more than one cell. He has access to fresh air and to have some visitors. So the government claims that these conditions is balanced enough to be according to the convention.
It's just painful, and it's just annoying that his face will be back in the media, and this is what he wants. He wants to go back in the media. He wants to be shown. This is probably his plan, just to be back in. So I feel that just wipe him away. Just don't give him any more, and close case. We don't want it anymore.
I really stand for like human rights, but with all the refugees here in Norway right now, and we don't take care of their human rights, why should we care about his human rights? Yeah.
Well, if you talk about possible human rights violations, it can never go too far. Human rights give very clear rules for how people are supposed to be treated when they are in prison, when they are deprived of his freedom. And in every single case, you have to check whether these standards are met. Human rights are about dealing with uneasy situations, difficult situations. We do not need human rights standards for how to treat a minister.
It's also an important instruction for the authorities, because obviously
the most severe accusation is the one of cruel, inhuman and degrading punishment, ill treatment, as it's also called, in connection with prolonged solitary confinement. And that is something where we know Norway has a problem. That is something where Norway has received international criticism over many years and never really amended the situation.
Ja.